the ultra-left has joined forces with radical Islam. And they are constantly attacking our civilization. That's what Charlie understood. There's an attack on Western civilization. There's an attack on our common Judeo-Christian heritage. And when these people attack us, they try to silence us. They tried to kill President twice, to assassinate President Trump twice. They tried to assassinate me. They fired mortars of flare mortars at my home, nearly burnt it, nearly killed, burnt alive a security guard. We found out that they actually had plans, concrete plans, to murder me. They called for the murder of not only me, but my wife, my kids. So there's this incitement of terrible propaganda that we see here and we see in the United States against the leaders of two